Good morning, dear students. Today's chapter 4 continue circulatory system. And in previous class, we understand the circulatory system and structure of the heart. तो स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ हार्ट में हमने पढ़ा था बच्चों लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल, राइट वेंट्रिकल, है ना, राइट ऑर्बिकल, लेफ्ट ऑर्बिकल, इसके बारे में. एंड टुडे ऑल्सो arteries, veins and capillaries also the part of structure, है ना. So students, firstly we know about arteries. So students, arteries contain blood under very high pressure. The great extensibility of the arteries enables them to receive additional amount of blood forced into them to each contraction of the heart. So students, कैपिलरी आर्टरीज कई तरह की होती हैं. सो स्टूडेंट्स, क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ आर्टरीज. तो स्टूडेंट्स, 3 टाइप्स ऑफ आर्टरीज आर फाउंड इन ह्यूमन बीइंग. द फर्स्ट इज इलास्टिक आर्टरीज, सेकंड इज मस्कुलर आर्टरीज एंड थर्ड इज आर्टियोलिस. तो फर्स्टली वी लर्न अबाउट इलास्टिक आर्टरीज. तो दीज आर्टरीज आर आल्सो कॉल्ड कंडक्टिंग आर्टरीज because they conduct blood from the heart to muscular arteries. These arteries are large and may be up to 3 centimeter in diameter. Then after students, we learn about muscular arteries. So these arteries are of medium size. These are also called distributing arteries because they distribute the blood to the various organs of the body. And third is students, arterioles. So these are also muscular arteries, but they are much smaller in size. They maintain the blood pressure of the body in general. Then after students, veins. So students, you know the veins carry the deoxygenated blood. The veins returns the blood to the heart. The structure of the veins is similar to that of arteries. The veins of lower limbs have greater numbers of valves than those of the upper limbs. Means upper limbs में कम और lower limbs में ज़्यादा होते हैं. Then after students, capillaries. So students, capillaries are really minute vessels. They connect the arterioles with the venules. So students, capillaries also divide in 3 or 4 parts. So students, these are 3 types of capillaries. The first is continuous capillaries, second is fenestrate capillaries, and third is sensodyal capillaries. The first is continuous capillaries. So students, these capillaries are found in all types of muscles, in connectivity tissue and in the central nervous system. So second is fenestrated capillaries. These are found in senile organ, endocrine glands and in intestines. Intestines. The third is syncytial capillaries. These are elongated capillaries found in the liver, spleen and bone marrows. So students, then after we learn function of capillaries. Function of capillaries. तो स्टूडेंट, फंक्शन क्या है कैपिलरीज का? इन द कैपिलरीज एक्सचेंज ऑफ मटेरियल्स टेक्स प्लेस. इट हैज बीन estimated that there are about 7,000 square meters of blood capillaries in an adult body. So the capillaries supply the substance requisite for restriction in the alimentary canal. They upstream of the digested food. In the lungs, they get oxygen and give up CO2 or carbon dioxide. In the kidney they discharge the waste products collected from the parts. So students, I hope you understand about the arteries, veins, capillaries. Thank you and have a marvelous day.